Welcome to Lesson 1.7, Language of Chance. Sometimes events in life will happen, won't happen, or might happen. Today we are going to learn about words we can use to describe the likelihood or chance of an event. Sure to happen. Sometimes we know things are for sure going to happen. The things are called events. Here are some events we are sure will happen. A rolled die will land with one face up. When we roll a die, it always lands flat with one side facing up. A second event, it will get dark tonight. When we go to sleep, we know that it will get dark over nighttime. Some key words that help us identify things are sure to happen are will, for sure, absolutely, or must. If I were to rethink about those events up above, I could say a rolled die must land with one face up. Or it will for sure get dark tonight. These key words can help me know that these things absolutely are sure to happen. Now we're going to look at some things that we are sure will not happen. Sometimes we know things are for sure not going to happen. The things are called events. Here are some events we are sure will not happen. A spinner will keep spinning forever. You will grow wings. Key words that can help us identify these types of events are impossible, no way, and can't. A spinner can't keep on spinning forever, and it is impossible that you would ever grow wings. Now we're going to look at events that may or may not happen. Sometimes we don't know if an event might happen. Here are some events that might not happen. It will rain. If we look at the weather, we can make a prediction, but we don't know for sure if it will rain. I will wear a jacket. You probably might want to wear a jacket if it's cool outside, but you could step out the door and decide you don't really need it. These events may or may not happen. Keywords to help us identify these are likely, good chance, toss up, 50-50, and probably. Let's look at this chart. The chart is titled Likelihood of Events. There are 3 sections on the chart. In red, I have listed sure will happen. This column going down are for events that we are sure will happen. The middle section in purple are for events that might happen. They may happen or they may not happen. And finally, our section in green is for events that we are sure will not happen. Now look down here at the bottom. You'll see that there are 6 different choices. What I would like you to do is think about where would each of these choices belong. The first one says, I will eat at a house. Would that go under sure will happen? Would that go under might happen? Or would that go under sure will not happen? Well, if we think about I will eat a house, people, humans anyways, do not go around eating each other's houses. This is something that is pretty impossible. So we're going to place this under sure will not happen. I'm going to read the other 5 choices to you, and then I would like you to pause the video and just think about where you would place each of these events. When you start the video again, we'll go ahead and check your thinking. This one says it will be sunny. Tuesday will come after Monday. The moon will be in the sky. A bug will start talking. I will watch a movie. Please pause the video and think about where each of these choices would go. We're now going to go ahead and check your work. It will be sunny. This is something that may or may not happen. Tuesday will come after Monday. Tuesday always comes after Monday for the days of the week, so we are sure this will happen. I will watch a movie. Maybe this is something that might happen even if you're planning on watching a movie. What were to happen if you suddenly got sick? It might not happen after all. A bug will start talking. This is pretty impossible. If we were to look at some ants on the sidewalk and they started talking to us, that would be a pretty strange thing. That's just something that doesn't happen. We're going to put this under sure will not happen. The moon will be in the sky. The moon is always up in our sky. Sometimes we can't see it because the clouds are in the way, but the moon is always in the sky, so we are sure this will happen. It's time now to answer some quiz questions. I would like you to take out your math notebook and answer each of these questions. You will have to go to the website and put your answers in. So again, please remember you can pause the video after each of these questions to write down your answers. When you are recording your answers, you only need to write A, B, or C. You do not need to write out each of these choices. Quiz question number 1. What is sure to happen? Choice A, you will go to bed tonight. Choice B, you will eat a frog. Choice C, you will jump off a bridge. Again, think about what is sure to happen. Quiz question number 2. What is sure not to happen? A, you will go to school on a school day. B, you will turn 20 years old tomorrow. C, you will feel full. Which is sure not to happen? Quiz question number 3. Which keyword means sure not to happen? A, good chance. B, can't. C, absolutely. That's all for today. Go ahead and remember to put your answers into the quiz, and I will see you in class soon.